Hello, everyone. Today, I want to introduce you to a tool that will help you as you build smart contracts. Because the truth is, you always write contracts that are kind of vulnerable one way or the other. And the way to prove yourself to be a brilliant dev is if there is no low hanging vulnerability in your code. And this is where Aderyn comes in. It's a static analytic tool for you to catch some low hanging bugs in your code and make it safer for the protocol you're working with and a safer ecosystem at large. So this is the main Aderyn repo, as you can see. And right now we'll try to install. I've already installed it anyway. I use it, but I'll teach you how to install Aderyn to your machine. There is a very simple single command you can use to install a Aderyn, and that is with core. So what you can do is come here, copy this, then paste it on your terminal. Specifically, I recommend using Ubuntu, especially if you're using Windows. So right now, go to your Ubuntu and paste this command. This is my Ubuntu, and simply come here, click, then run it. Okay, it appears we did not copy it very well. So let's go back to copy very well. Or just say, yeah, so once you copy it, paste it, and it will start running. You can see it is currently downloading Aderyn 0.511. And right now we have Aderyn update and Aderyn is finally installed in this machine. The beauty of this command is that it installs everything you need and you don't have to do everything one after the other. That's why it's just good to use this call command to have Aderyn on your machine. Once we have Aderyn on our machine now, let's go ahead to VS Code to test it out. This is one of my fun projects and it's CashVault. So we'll try to get some static analysis of the contract to see if there are any low hanging bugs we can catch with Aderyn in this contract. So you can come here to read the contract. This is CashVault or so. This is what the entire contract is all about. And for you to use Aderyn, first thing first, ensure you are on the correct path. So in the instance case, this will be CD work. Then where is the contract? It's not in SRC, it's in contract. So let's CD to contract effecto. Then if you want to run anything, you see Aderyn. But let's try to see Aderyn help or simply just Aderyn. Once you run Aderyn, oh, that reminds me, this won't work in normal terminal. So it's best you switch to Ubuntu. And that's something you should also take in mind, especially if you're working with Windows. Don't run it in the normal terminal. Come to Ubuntu or maybe Git Bash, but I prefer Ubuntu. So Aderyn L. So these are the options when you're trying to use Aderyn, how to use SRC, path exclude, output. You can get your report in JSON or MD or Serif depending on what you want, and you can get that by inserting the output flag. Then we have LSP2 and but basically we'll simply run Aderyn to run the analysis of this code and yeah, here you go. It's currently compiling. Beautiful. So Aderyn is done running now, and you can see it has scanned the contract through 87 detectors. And now, where do we see our end results? Simply come here and you see reports.md, and this is where it all goes up. What's the so we have one high, six low. So let's check out the summary of that report. Okay, if transfer without address checks. Line 99. Beautiful. Unsafe yard trendy operation. And this kind of shows you how Aderian works. So it catches a lot of things, and especially low hanging bugs, and it optimizes your work as a smart contract engineer. You are able to focus on things, and even for auditors, they are able to focus on more creative bugs rather than low hanging one. I hope you learned from this video and you start using a couple of these tools to analyze your contracts and to make it safer for your users and protocol. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, do give it a like. If there's something else you'd want me to explain to you about smart contract engineering, adhering, or anything you need clarity on, say it in the comments and I'll probably shoot a video on this one of these days. See you in the next one.